Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Dall-E to make awesome images for your sales copy quickly. Make sure you subscribe to this video and share it to people you used to talk to every day. Check out all the other videos in the playlist. How to use ChatGPT for business. All right, I'm going to jump right over to ChatGPT because even though I'm talking about Dall-E, we're going to start off with ChatGPT, the first product that made OpenAI famous. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the conversation talking about sales copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, can you tell me the most popular forms of sales copy? Can you tell me that? Because we need images for sales copy. So first we need to know, okay, what type of sales copy are we talking about? Okay. Landing pages, emails, social media posts, direct mail, advertising. All right, I'm going to focus on right now direct mail and advertising. These are my favorite to focus on because these are situations where you're talking to the cold people you've never met. They've never shown any interest in your product or service, and you're just popping out with your offer and looking to convert them into customers. So let's talk about direct mail. Okay. And so now a direct mail sales copy. Let's say, can you give me an example direct mail sales copy for we're going to mail out brochure. Okay, can you give me an example direct mail sales copy for a brochure for a food truck? All right. Now, I'm not going to tell it my information this time. I'm just going to quickly get to this because I want you to see. So here it is. It's giving you the sales copy. Are you tired of the same old fast food options? Come and try something new. So it gives me the copy to use for the brochure that I will be mailing. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, can you write a prompt for Dall-E? Let's make sure we give it the right name, right? To create an image for the sales copy you wrote. All right. Can you create a prompt for Dall-E to create an image for the sales copy you wrote? Okay. So I'm asking the robot. I'm using the robots together. I'm using the ChatGPT robot and I'm using the Dall-E robot. I'm working them together like a fork and a spoon. All right. And we're just doing this thing right now. So now you can see it's writing and it's saying, here's a prompt for Dall-E to create an image based on the sales copy I provided. So I'm going to start copying right here at create an image. And I'm going to go down. We'll come back and read this once we get Dall-E working. So we're not just sitting here waiting. All right. So let me copy all the text. Now, Dall-E won't necessarily take all of this text. So we may have to edit. Okay. So in the background, the image should show a diverse group of, I just say people. All right. It does cap the text. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. I'm on Dall-E. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. While it's generating, let's read exactly what the ChatGPT gave us for a prompt. It said, create an image of a food truck serving fresh, locally sourced dishes to happy customers. The image should convey a sense of excitement and adventure, as well as the convenience of the food truck's mobile location. In the foreground, the food truck should be prominently featured with colorful graphics and a welcoming atmosphere. In the background, the image should show a diverse group of satisfied, and I think the last thing I got in there was a diverse group of people. All right, let's jump back over to Dall-E and see what we got. Okay, now we got some images. We have some images that we can use in that sales copy. I just wanted to show you quickly how you could do this. This one is kind of a cooler looking one. And I could click on variations to get more versions of that. Which one will be your favorite? Post in the comments. Probably, if I had to choose one, I probably could use all of them, but I like this one. And you could take this image and send it to your graphics and do more touch up on it. You could get fancy if you're into graphics. I'm just going to click variation so we can see some more options of that same image. And just like that, this is how easy it is to create images for your sales copy. It's not as nowhere near as difficult as it used to be. We used to fight with ideas and just starting with a blank palette, not really have a direction on where you're going. But now this just makes it a little bit more interactive, and that'll allow you to create images for your sales copy. Now, the robot gave us a couple different types, and the brochures and flyers was what I started with. And so let's try an advertising prompt, okay? So let's go right here to ChatGPT and say, can you write a prompt? Okay, can you write a prompt for a short advertisement featuring the food truck? All right, let's see what it does here. I'm just going to get it to write the prompt. Okay, so it's giving me the text. And so now I'm going to, once it's done giving me I said prompt, I meant to say text, but and now I want to say, okay, can you write a prompt for Dall-E to create an eye-catching image for a direct mailing campaign? No, eye-catching image for advertisement. All right, just showing you a great example of how you can get the robot to write for you, and then use the results of that writing with the other robot. Okay, so it's writing the prompt. Create an image that captures the attention of viewers. And it kind of gives you the language that the robot understands in terms of how you can speak to it. Scrolling down, it goes in depth. So we're going to copy that and give it to Dall-E. And then we're going to wait. And while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and jump back over here. And we'll read the prompt that it gave us. It said, create an image that captures the attention of viewers and inspires them to visit the food truck. The image should showcase the food truck's unique mobile dining experience and vibrant, bold graphics, energetic, fun vibe. The overall goal of the image is to entice viewers. Okay, let's check out and see what it gave it. All right, okay, now this is similar kind of to what we had before, but you can keep tweaking this and you'll get some different options. Again, I can go to variations and you can kind of see what you can generate. And these are images that you can use for your sales copy. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. You're going to learn everything you need to know about ChatGPT to start and grow your business. When you subscribe, I'll send you 12 businesses to start with AI today, and you'll get 31 AI apps to use in your business now. And you get my email address. So if you have questions, you can send me, you can contact me, and I'll be there to help you out with that. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.